I have 5 personal branding tips for you that you can use if you're a young executive or a seasoned executive who wants to make a good impression on people. Remember, your personal brand is what impression you give people when you enter into a room. It's based on what you've said before, what you've done before, what they've seen on your LinkedIn profile. And it's also the impression you leave people with after you've engaged with them. So if you're doing job interviews, if you are doing networking events, it doesn't really matter. Your personal brand actually impacts the outcome of that. And I've got a few tips for you that you can use real quickly. First of all, remember to dress well, but not necessarily dress up unless that's your style. If you dress well, you can go in blue jeans and nice shoes and a nice shirt and really pull it off. The second is smile with your eyes. When you engage with people in a networking event, in a job interview, or in a sales pitch, it doesn't matter. That can really telegraph a signal that you're interested in people. By the way, as a quick pause, my name's Jamie Turner. These are the unspoken rules of leadership. I go around the globe talking about this stuff to corporations and events. Let's keep going. We're going to talk about the next one, which is to straighten your spine before you get into a meeting with people. You can do that by pulling your shoulder blades together, and it actually straightens your spine. Then finally, understand your audience. When you understand what the audience is about, and I have a great tool for you on that front. It's called Crystal Knows, and it's a Chrome extension that you can use. You can go to somebody's LinkedIn profile and click this extension, and it will tell you about their personality using the DISC profile. I found it to be about 80 to 90% successful, and that's actually pretty good, because if you're going into a meeting with somebody that you've never met before, that's a great way to understand, is this somebody who likes to cut to the chase and get to the point quickly, or is this somebody actually who wants to chit chat with me for a while before we get down to business? That tool can help you do it. My name is Jamie Turner. These are the unspoken rules of leadership. I hope that was helpful for you.